Hi, how's the video going? Today I'm going to talk about the perspective in landscape architecture. Usually, you do draw a lot of perspective like that, and all these kind of perspectives involve you to draw a lot of grasses like this. Different grasses. I think what they do is they just go to just Google or just find an image with the grasslands and then overlay to the area, okay, of their perspectives, and sometimes they add some shades on there, but usually the first step is just overlay the image together, okay. And today I'm going to show you how they do that. Before we do that, I think the first step is you need to find an image. Just make sure all the image you do is the grass is bigger on this side and it's becomes smaller when they're getting further, okay. And also when you do it, you wanna to delete the sky a little bit, only have grass down there, just don't influence your view. And then what you do is just, for example, if this was a layer, right, you just make the transparency a bit low and then just drag this down. Just pick an area of that meet your needs, okay. And you make sure you want to use the Control and T or Command T tool to transform the sides of the grasses, so you make the grass what you want. And see here, there's some white flowers on these grasses also. And then what you do is really easy. You just click this layer and you select the faces, the surfaces you want, and then you just click this add layer mask tool. When you click it, you see here you only have this piece of grasslands down here, okay. So after we finish that, all you need to do is just click the masker tool again, and I think you can choose the all kinds of tool. I would do the brush tool, and then what you do is you have two colors. Right now it's white, so white color means show, and you want to draw on the, make sure you draw on the mask, okay. So white color means showing and black color means block, okay. So, and also you want to look at your brush, make sure you don't have color dynamic. So right now we are at the white, so you just make sure you change the size of your brush, make sure it's bigger on the foreground, and again it's smaller when it's background, okay. So make sure it's getting smaller when it's in the background, okay. Same thing here. And also sometimes shape dynamics is not what you want. Maybe the angle jitter, make sure you do the direction, so it will follow the direction, okay. See here, it follow your direction, okay. Pretty cool. So then we should be able to draw it. Make sure on the further end it becomes smaller. Then we should be able to have a pretty good grasslands, okay, down here, and have all elements we want. So once we have that, it's too realistic sometimes, so you want to create another layer, and then just go to filter gallery. You can add some shades down here. I usually do sponge. Right click OK, and then I just change my layer view. Sometimes there's all kinds of views. Sometimes lighten, screen, or overlay works really well. I usually just use the lighten or screen. For example, in this case I use lighten, and then just change the transparency. Then you can see the flower pretty significant down. So in the end, you can just put trees down here, and then add some shades. Okay. And if you add shades, you change the transparency layer. You will have like it's just a really good start of the drawing. Okay. So that's it for today. Let me see you next time.